The past holds an irresistible allure. It whispers tales of forgotten moments, lost loves, and missed opportunities. We long to revisit it, to relive our triumphs and right our wrongs. Time, however, marches relentlessly forward, leaving the past forever out of reach. Or so we thought. The concept of time travel has captivated humanity for centuries. From H.G. Wells's iconic The Time Machine to countless science fiction tales, the possibility of venturing through time has fueled our imaginations. But what if time travel wasn't merely a figment of our collective imagination? What if the secrets of traversing time lay dormant, waiting to be unlocked by curious minds? The pursuit of this knowledge drives us ever onward, pushing the boundaries of science and challenging our understanding of the cosmos. Is time travel merely a fantastical dream, or could it be within the realm of scientific possibility? Modern physics offers intriguing clues. Einstein's theory of relativity suggests that time is not absolute, but rather a fluid dimension interwoven with space. This space-time fabric, according to Einstein, can be warped and distorted by massive objects like black holes, potentially creating shortcuts through the cosmos wormholes. These theoretical tunnels could serve as bridges, connecting distant points in space-time and perhaps even different moments in time itself. While the existence of wormholes remains purely theoretical, the possibility, however remote, ignites our curiosity and fuels our scientific endeavors. The quest to unravel the mysteries of time travel is a testament to our insatiable thirst for knowledge and our desire to push the boundaries of the possible. Dr. Elias Carter, a brilliant but eccentric physicist, was known for his unorthodox methods and relentless pursuit of knowledge. His colleagues often marveled at his ability to think outside the box, pushing the boundaries of what was considered possible. Carter dedicated his life to unlocking the secrets of time travel, a concept that had fascinated humanity for centuries. He believed that understanding time could unlock answers to the universe's greatest mysteries. Consumed by the desire to reach into the past, he spent countless hours poring over ancient texts and modern theories alike. His obsession grew with each passing day, driving him to the brink of madness. He toiled tirelessly in his laboratory, often working late into the night. The glow of his computer screens and the hum of his machines were his constant companions. Seeking a way to breach the barriers of time, Carter experimented with various theories and technologies. Each failure only fueled his determination, bringing him one step closer to his ultimate goal. Years of relentless research culminated in his groundbreaking invention, the Chrono Rift. This device was unlike anything the world had ever seen, a true marvel of engineering and theoretical physics. The Chrono Rift was a marvel of engineering and theoretical physics. It represented the pinnacle of Carter's life's work, a testament to his genius and perseverance. Unlike the brute force approach of hypothetical wormholes, which required immense energy and posed significant risks, the Chrono Rift operated on a more subtle principle: quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement, a phenomenon where particles become interconnected and instantaneously affect each other regardless of distance, was the key to Carter's invention. He theorized that by entangling particles across time, he could create a channel for transmitting information to the past. Carter theorized that by entangling particles across time, he could create a channel for transmitting information to the past. This would allow for communication across different eras, potentially altering the course of history. His invention, housed within a labyrinthine network of wires, lasers, and superconducting magnets, was a sight to behold. The intricate design and advanced technology were a testament to Carter's ingenuity. His invention, housed within a labyrinthine network of wires, lasers, and superconducting magnets, hummed with an energy that hinted at its immense power. The Chrono Rift was not just a machine, it was a gateway to the past. The Chrono Rift hummed with an energy that hinted at its immense power. It was a beacon of hope for those who dreamed of altering the past and shaping the future. The Chrono Rift promised to revolutionize our understanding of time itself, offering possibilities that were once confined to the realm of science fiction. It was a breakthrough that could change the world forever. But as with any groundbreaking invention, unforeseen consequences lurked on the horizon. The potential to alter the past came with risks that were not yet fully understood, and the line between genius and madness grew ever thinner for Dr. Elias Carter. With a mix of trepidation and exhilaration, Dr. Carter prepared for the inaugural test of the Chrono Rift. This was no ordinary experiment. It was the culmination of years of relentless research, sleepless nights, and countless simulations. The stakes were incredibly high, and the potential consequences of failure loomed large in everyone's minds. His frontiers to explore. Little did they know, they had just set in motion a chain of events that would forever alter the course of history. The ripple they had created in the space-time continuum was just the beginning, and its effects would be felt far and wide, in ways they could never have imagined. Section 5. Paradox. The butterfly's wings. The implications of sending a message to the past soon became terrifyingly clear. The seemingly insignificant message, a mere blip on the radar of time, created a ripple effect that spread outward, disrupting the delicate balance of cause and effect. Paradoxes, those mind-bending contradictions that arise from altering the past, began to manifest. Minor inconsistencies at first, like a misplaced book or a changed weather pattern, but they escalated with alarming speed. The past, once considered immutable, proved to be disturbingly malleable. Just as a butterfly flapping its wings can create a storm on the other side of the world, so too did tampering with the past unleash a cascade of unpredictable and potentially catastrophic consequences. The Chrono Rift, once a beacon of hope and progress, now loomed as a harbinger of chaos. The paradoxes unleashed by the Chrono Rift grew in scale and severity, affecting not just isolated events, but entire timelines. What started as minor anomalies soon escalated into full-blown temporal crises. Reality itself began to fracture, splitting into countless alternate timelines, each one diverging further from the original. The once linear path of history now resembled a shattered mirror, each fragment reflecting a different possibility. Each timeline was a consequence of even the smallest change to the past, illustrating the profound impact of the butterfly effect. A single altered decision could ripple through time, creating entirely new worlds. The present became a confusing kaleidoscope of shifting realities, where the familiar was constantly replaced by the unknown. People found themselves in a world where the rules of existence were in perpetual flux. In one timeline, a devastating war raged, consuming nations and altering the course of history. This conflict was a direct result of a past decision altered by a message sent through the Chrono Rift, showing how fragile peace could be. The message, intended to prevent a minor disaster, instead triggered a chain of events that led to widespread destruction. The Chrono Rift had become a double-edged sword, its power both a blessing and a curse. In another timeline, humanity had achieved a utopian society, a vision of what the future could be. This world was driven by technological advancements sparked by knowledge from the future, showing the potential for greatness. Scientists and innovators worked tirelessly, using insights from future discoveries to solve present-day problems. This timeline was a testament to human ingenuity and the possibilities that lay ahead. However, the boundaries between these timelines blurred, creating a chaotic and disorienting reality. People struggled to discern what was real as alternate realities began to overlap and merge. This collision of realities led to a world where the past, present, and future coexisted in a state of constant flux. The once stable fabric of existence was now a tapestry of chaos. The very fabric of existence strained under the weight of countless possibilities, each one vying for dominance. The universe, once thought to be governed by a fixed set of rules, now seemed to be at the mercy of an unpredictable and potentially dangerous force. The universe, once thought to be governed by a fixed set of rules, now seemed to be at the mercy of an unpredictable and potentially dangerous force. The manipulation of time itself had become a force of nature, reshaping reality in unforeseen ways. The manipulation of time itself had become a force of nature, reshaping reality in unforeseen ways. The consequences of these changes were profound, affecting every aspect of life. The manipulation of time itself had become a force of nature, reshaping reality in unforeseen ways. The consequences of these changes were profound, affecting every aspect of life. The future was no longer a distant horizon, but a constantly shifting landscape, molded by the hands of those who dared to alter the past. The ability to alter the past raised profound ethical questions. If we had the power to change history, should we? Who gets to decide which events are worthy of alteration? The implications were staggering. The Chrono Rift, once a symbol of human ingenuity, became a Pandora's box, unleashing a torrent of ethical dilemmas. The line between right and wrong, already blurred by the complexities of human nature, became hopelessly tangled in the face of time travel's immense power. The responsibility for safeguarding the integrity of time fell upon the very people who had sought to manipulate it. Dr. Carter and his team, once driven by scientific curiosity, now faced the daunting task of containing the chaos they had unleashed. The Chrono Rift, both a testament to human ingenuity and a stark warning, stands as a symbol of the immense power and responsibility that comes with scientific advancement. The allure of time travel remains, but it is tempered by a newfound understanding of its potential consequences. Will we learn from our mistakes, or will we succumb to the temptation to tinker with time, risking further paradoxes and the unraveling of reality itself? The future of time travel, fraught with both promise and peril, hinges on our ability to wield this power wisely. As we venture further into the unknown, we must proceed with caution, guided by the lessons learned from the Chrono rift. The quest for knowledge should never come at the cost of our shared reality. The exploration of time travel challenges our understanding of ourselves and our place in the cosmos. It compels us to confront the profound interconnectedness of all things, past, present, and future. Our actions, however small, ripple through time, influencing the course of history. We are not merely passive observers of time, we are active participants in its unfolding story. The legacy we leave behind will be shaped by the choices we make today. Let us strive to create a future worthy of our past. A future where time travel, if it ever becomes a reality, is used not to rewrite history, but to learn from it and to build a better tomorrow.